In the last section, we started wiring up a flat list component, which is going to render our list of libraries onto the screen of our device. We now have to make sure that we provide a component right here that will be displayed for each individual library. Now, I definitely expect to eventually have a lot of logic tied to rendering each library on the screen. So rather than just kind of putting together some JSX directly right here that's going to decide how to show each row individually, let's make a separate component that's going to house all the logic to represent or display one single library. So I'm going to make a separate component by making a new file inside my components directory, and I'm going to call this listitem.js. Then inside of here, we're going to put down a little bit of boilerplate stuff to get a component to show up on the screen. So I'll say import React and component from React. I'll then create a new class that I'll call listitem, which is going to extend component. And then inside there, I'll define my render method. We'll leave the render method empty for right now. Let's first add on our export statement at the bottom. And then I'm also going to go ahead and flip back over to our library list file, and I'm going to wire this thing up to the library list. So back over inside of library list.js, at the top, I'm going to import that new component that we just created. So I'll import listitem from listitem. And then inside of render item right here, we're going to return an instance of listitem. And for every list item, we're going to pass in the library that we're trying to render as a prop called library, like so. All right, so that's it. Now let's take another quick break. We'll come back to the next section, and we're going to start working on the actual implementation of this list item component.